A very good morning, class. So today we'll do this topic of your English grammar, that is clauses. So let us first do the meaning of what a clause is. So a clause is basically a part of sentence. It contains a subject and a predicate. And it must have a subject and a finite verb. Means in a sentence, there should be a subject and a finite verb. And what basically a finite verb is? A finite verb is a verb that is used in the form which agrees with the person and the number of the subject and also has a definite tense, right? So next, further, there are three kinds of sentences: simple, compound and complex sentences, right? So one by one we'll do each types of sentences. So the first one is simple sentence. Now what basically is a simple sentence? If a sentence consists of a single clause, right? There is a single clause, and so we basically call it a simple sentence. For example, the mother tiger saw her cubs. So here mother tiger is the subject and saw here is the finite verb, and it contains a single clause, and so it is called a simple sentence, right? Next is the compound sentence. Now what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is a sentence that has minimum two clauses that are joined together with the coordinating conjunction. Like for example, together with the coordinating conjunction. Like for example, the things that join the sentence, those two sentences are and, but, or, etc. For example, the mother tiger saw her cubs and she became happy. So here this is the coordinating conjunction that join these two sentences. So mother tiger here is the subject, saw here is the finite verb, she here is the subject, and became here is the finite verb. So there are two sentences that are joined with this coordinating conjunction. So this one is the first clause and this one is the second clause, right? So as there are minimum two clauses that are joining together the sentence with the help of coordinating conjunction, so this is a compound sentence, right? So there are two clauses joined together with this and therefore it's a compound sentence. The last one is the complex sentence. Now what is a complex sentence? A complex sentence is a sentence that basically contains minimum of two clauses and they are joined with subordinating conjunction. We have already done these topics in the conjunction part, right? And for example, because, that, if, whether, right? So that, and we have WH words like when, why, how, right? So these are. The last one is the complex sentence. Now what is a complex sentence? A complex sentence is a sentence that basically contains minimum of two clauses and they are joined with subordinating conjunction. We have already done these topics in the conjunction part, right? And for example, because, that, if, whether, right? So that, and we have WH words like when, why, how, right? So these are the subordinating conjunctions. Now if you look into this sentence, when the mother tiger saw her cubs, she became happy. So here when here is the subordinating conjunction and it joined these two sentences, that is the mother tiger here is the subject, saw here is the finite verb, she here is the subject, and again became here is the finite verb. So there are minimum two clauses, and so there are two clauses that have joined together with the conjunction when, and therefore it is a complex sentence. So there are three sentences basically: simple, compound and complex, and I hope you've understood these three sentences. So in simple sentence, what basically is there is a single clause. In a compound sentence there are two clauses and which is joined with a coordinating conjunction, and in the complex sentence there are again two clauses which are joined with the help of a subordinating. So next there are types of clauses, even types of subordinate clauses, which we'll be doing in the next video. So we'll just do this chapter right, in parts, so that this topic is clear to you all, right? And now I'll be sending you a worksheet that is there in your BBC Compactor, which you all have to do, right?